Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you didn't see the title of this video, well, it is for women. So if you get squeamish or don't want to talk about certain things, then sorry, this is not for you. But this video is about the vagina. So if you want to learn more, stay tuned. Now on to the rest of the video. Hey guys, so for this video I will be talking to you about the NeuEve vaginal products for us women. It is to balance our hormones and to restore that area from aging. Now if you've had children or you're at a menopause age or pre-menopause or in your 30s like me, your vagina can get a little bit weird. It's a normal thing, nothing to be ashamed of. You can become dry during sex, or it could just be a little bit funky sometimes, which is absolutely normal because as we grow, our bodies change, and especially if you've had children, your body has been through hell, complete hell. So I received these products. It is two suppositories. One is called the Gold Formula, which you do take weekly, and the other one is the BV Clear, which you take every 3 days. So first you start with this one, and when this one's done, you jump to this one. Now the BV Clear, it is to restore the balance of your pH balance in your vagina. This one you take every 3 days. So this is not a daily thing. This is every 3 days. It's supposed to help regulate you, like, you know, sometimes when you have sex you're kind of dry down there or like in the middle of it, and then it's like, it hurts. And it's not your partner's fault, it's not your fault either, it's just your body needs a little bit of help. And restoring your pH balance is really important. Of course in this video I will put more medical facts and stuff because I can't say it, or I'm just not as eloquent as I would want to be. The next one is the Gold Formula. This one you do once a day before intimacy. So if you're gonna have intimacy, don't put it that day, just do the day before. And this one is to regulate you and restore you from being super dry inside, because again, it happens and it's normal for that to happen. Doesn't matter what age you are, our bodies go through changes. Like I just took out my IUD, so I'm like breaking out, and down there is like being really weird, but these are really helping me out to regulate myself and to get back to normal, because when you take out a birth control, it really messes up your body, so your body has to go back to normal, and these have really actually helped me out a lot. And the last thing they sent me, it is a vulva balm. Vulva balm. It's to help you from being itchy, burning, dryness, or painful during sex. And it really helps with any odor, and is really gentle on your skin. I haven't broken out from trying this, and it really has helped me a lot, like down there in that area. Like I'm not ashamed to say sometimes it ain't that great smelling down there, because you know it's locked in, it's sweating, and I'm running around with kids, and it's summertime, so of course a lot is going on down there. So this product is honestly really great. And of course, before you use any products, you should contact your OBGYN and ask them, you know, what do you think? I spoke to the brand personally, and I had any questions I had. They're really great, super helpful, and really helped with understanding each product. I honestly like the Balm the best because it really helps like me down there, because some days I'm like super moist, or some days I'm super dry, which is normal, especially when you have your period. Like your body is off balance, and again, if you take hormones or you're getting off hormones or you're not on hormones, your body tends to like go crazy. So guys, check them out. You can check out the link in the description for their NeuEve collection. I highly recommend personally, because I use them and they're works for me. But again, you would have to check them out for yourselves, because everybody's body is different. Thank you guys so much for watching, and like always, like, subscribe, and share. Have a good day, afternoon, or evening, whichever time you're watching, and please stay safe out there. Bye now.